Hey guys, today I'm going to make some sausage spaghetti on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. This is going to be pretty simple, only 3 ingredients: pasta, pasta sauce, and mild Italian sausage. Now, this pasta I got is this Pronto pasta. It's no drain, so you don't have to drain it, so that saves a step. So I'm just going to use my 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. And let's see, that's a 12-ounce box. So I think I'll use about half of this. Alright, that looks like about half the box. And it says to add 3 cups of water to the whole package, so I'll add 1.5 cups of water to that. I'll do that in a minute. But this is just mild Italian sausage, and I think I'll just put a little bit of oil on these on the outside just so they don't stick to the grill. Starting to rain, but I'm covered, so hopefully it won't start blowing too bad. Anyway, I have my grill preheating here. It's on high, turned all the way up. I have room to put my cast iron skillet right there, and I think I should have just enough room to put the sausage on the side here. So I'll just cook the sausage right on the grill grate there. This little grill has cast iron grill grates, so it does a pretty nice job. Gives you pretty nice grill marks on sausage and stuff. Now we'll just get the lid on there. It's been 5 minutes, so let's see how my sausage is doing here. Looks pretty good. I'll turn those over. And that pasta, it says it takes about 10 minutes to cook, but it might take a little bit longer on the grill. So anyway, looks like it's starting to soak up the liquid a little bit. We'll get the lid back on. Okay, it's been 5 minutes since I flipped those. Let's take a look here. Boy, they're looking pretty good. Just going to turn them over again. I don't think they're quite done yet. Just kind of keep flipping them until they look done. And let's see, my pasta is looking pretty good, so I think that I'm going to go ahead and add this jar of pasta sauce now. Get my pasta sauce warming up a little bit. And once the sausage looks cooked, I'll just cut it up into pieces and add it to the sauce. It's been about 15 minutes, so I'm going to check my sausage to see what the internal temperature is there. 185 degrees. I'm only looking for about 160 to 165, so those are done. I turned the heat down to low and I cut my sausage up. Now I'm just going to get it in there and let it simmer in the sauce for just a little bit. Smells really good. Okay, let me get the lid on there and we'll just let that simmer a little bit. Alright, let's see how this turned out. A little Parmesan cheese on top there. And grab a fork. See how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Anyway, let me try a bite here. That's pretty good. Annie came outside to see what smelled so good when I was out cooking that, so you know she's probably going to like this one. I guess that's Annie approved. Well, that turned out pretty good. Get kind of a nice mild grill flavor on the sausage. Plus it didn't splatter all over the kitchen. So this is a Barilla Pronto pasta. I've used this before. It's actually usually what I buy when I can find it. So anyway, maybe you guys give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you guys.